What's good, YouTube? Back y'all with another video, man. And today we got your boy Jameer. I reacted to his video one time. Now we about to really see what this man can do. You know, he said he on a monkey app and shit. You're in the hop. Anyway, though, we know this shit gonna be good. Let's get this shit started.
Running on money, I'm sound like an athlete. Hit a superstar.
You definitely a fine young
This is
man.
definitely
She a pretty girl, but she get nasty. Know how I
this
go, I
man.
can't put nothing past them. They gon' do what you want with your cash. You get free, let me know.
The monkey
Oh my
app some
god, guys, look at
monkey app
give me.
some
Don't even know her and bought her a bag. He can't fuck with me, I know why you mad. She can't forgive
the
me, I
monkey
give
app
you
some.
the
Cause I thought you a hoe, like you just too
Huh?
fine.
oversized jacket to cover my ratchet. Been out here popping, I'm not.
My stepper gon' brush him if I press the button. Too drippy to scuff, The blick.
How the fuck y'all hit me in my leg? Y'all ain't got no aim. I pull up 60 shots on niggas like I'm Dave. Get money, spent this blocks, that's how I got my.
We went to get VVS. That's how I got my chain. Hold on, got a red beam on my
Got
Glock.
hit with that hot, he screamed for God.
Red beam. It's on that Glock. I'm shooting without aim. Like, told that nigga he could slap with my fame. Damn. Aim at his dress brains. These niggas on that hoppy shit, you know we better hold on. Like I said, I'll take his chain and then I make that nigga change. All this like his shit. Man, you know I about to game like all this rapping spitting shit. You probably know I'm spitting game. Niggas all up in this shit. I'm burning with the flame. Hold on. Red dot, green beam, shooting on aim. Pop, hands out there. Whatever.
But he ain't saving. I won't never let my bank account go Jason Taylor. All I wanna do, give me some new money. I don't know about you. I dropped 36 ounces in a pot, this chicken soup. I remember staring at it, cut 200. I slut.
But this nigga is really good at everything, bro. This nigga needs to be nerfed, bro. Like, goddamn, bro, I gotta be his biggest hater, bro.
42.
Whoa.
I asked that dumbass one more time. How old are you?
Nah,
Ooh.
you already being
Yeah, this
toxic.
nigga shows violence.
Don't get no.
I don't like games. Don't play with me.
21.
What's your name?
So you lied though.
Put that shit down. You talking to me? I like eye contact. I don't care if you die.
What he
Where
say?
are you
Now he
from?
really playing with straight face.
What's your name?
Nina.
Put that shit down. You talking to me? I like eye contact. I don't care if you die.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
New York
Okay,
makes sense.
Like how you listen. No, I appreciate that. You feel me? You look good.
My nigga in the field going crazy. Will he score? Yes or no?
What's your name?
My name's Jameer.
What the fuck?
What you doing?
I'm putting in my Instagram so you can follow me.
Is anybody surprised about what happened?
Damn.
So how old are you?
Oh my god, guys, look at give me.
She want me. I got her out my way,
I ain't never seen that before.
Good.
I mean,
should have been on my Christmas.
what? I forgot, man.
Like that shit. How old are you?
Motherfuckers, we get on this
You look
shit.
good.
Oh
We on some other shit.
What's your name?
My name is Cecilia.
I need your ID.
Yeah, I got you. I don't care. He cute.
You got it, nigga?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your facts, bro. Why you ask the question? That nigga ain't
I
me.
don't give a damn.
Why your age say 17?
Middletown.
This is when I made the account.
You 18?
No, I'm
Ooh,
19.
nah, why you
Well, I
talking
love
like
my
that?
freedom. You heard?
I got my license with me right
Oh,
now.
yeah?
Easy. I need proof of that.
Oh, yeah?
You see?
I was
That's
getting
where
much
you
information, though.
That was a close one.
Where you from?
You from
New
New
York.
York?
Oh, I'm from New York.
Bro, why is she talking like that,
I'm
bro?
from the Bronx.
I used to pray for times like
The
this,
crib
the rhyme
vibes.
like this.
I know how you Bronx niggas be getting.
You can't categorize me, mama. You already fucking up.
I'm not putting you in that category because I don't know you. You gotta get to know me.
You could really be in the same category, the same box, all that.
So you gonna give me an Instagram or you gonna?
Don't run. Who you touch? You ain't do shit.
New York, too.
Every day I'ma walk on my grip. Ain't trying to kill me, gotta keep a grip. One smoking on that.
Y'all niggas, when it like I'm tripping and this shit
Your
crazy.
friend, you don't talk?
I said I'm 19.
So you must really be mad, and for what?
What's your attitude? Why you smiling for?
Anybody smile?
Yeah.
You look good though.
I know I
Oh,
do.
yeah.
I like the confidence. You sound like me. I like you.
I don't.
I like this nigga's game, bro.
Why you don't like yourself? What's wrong with you?
Yeah, I don't like you.
You got bad taste,
You
huh?
got bad taste.
Week later.
This nigga, bro.
I'm back again.
This nigga, bro.
I feel like
You're hacking my shit, huh?
Huh?
I'm gonna hack you.
Give me your Instagram.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Get on my face. I don't want it no more.
Damn. Crazy, I didn't know that quote.
No.
Okay, give me your Instagram.
I just told you no.
No,
Huh?
You deaf?
I don't know
Oh.
shit about you. Who playing with?
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Y'all know I love my snow bunnies, coach.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh, you stop shaking your ass. I ain't tell you to stop.
I didn't tell you to stop.
I'm a
I didn't tell you to
gangster,
stop.
nigga. Real niggas eat booty, man. Real niggas please they bitches, nigga. I don't get that.
I didn't tell you to stop. It's
How old
hot.
are you?
I turned 21 in like
It's
24
tough,
days.
bro.
Yes,
What's your
sir.
name?
Sada, like Sada baby.
What are you, Middle Eastern?
What gave it away?
I think it's your eyes.
Why you talk like that? Why is like seductive?
It's hot too. I'm from New York, so it's like regular. I mean,
Word.
like, so
Bitch, you
you
gotta
look good
stop
though.
playing, bro.
Yeah.
I like your hair.
I feel like our babies will be exotic.
I got
Mad rings, bro.
You wanna travel?
I don't know. I've been a lot of places.
Where you wanna go with me?
Basic shit, but that shit still work though.
Fortunate to know you, babe.
I got to have you.
You got good teeth. I like your smile.
Thanks.
And you got the septum piercing and shit. How old are you?
I'm 18.
You look good, Gigi.
Yeah,
How old is
you
he
look good
again?
too.
Say no more.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'3".
3.
What size, mama?
That's definitely for size.
Leave me
Tell us about
alone.
play.
6'4".
I like climbing trees for a reason.
I love to hear that for me.
Oh, really?
Of
What's your
course, bro.
number though?
What the
What's
fuck?
up?
Okay, it's 720.
They call me the greatest.
How old are you?
Bro, match this shit.
19.
Get double back,
Y'all from?
back to back.
You're from Atlanta.
What's your name?
Angie.
I'm also
Look
dope.
good as hell.
Thank you.
I don't even know what he said, but I ain't.
That bitch is hard. Nigga, I got
got
an
an
eye
eye
for
for
talent.
What's your
talent.
number, like?
Her Instagram, then she can give you her number.
Shut up, shut up.
Yeah, what's your Insta?
It's underscore. You be coming down here?
I never been to Atlanta. I wanna go though.
This
Really?
nigga don't
You
want to
trying to be
share
that
her
reason?
shit.
Yeah, I'm trying to be there.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
This nigga, bro.
Yo.
Yo,
How old are you?
19.
What, Mexico? Where you at?
I can't hear you.
Huh? Why you
Bro,
whispering?
why do girls do that?
You good?
I ain't gonna lie.
Get him out of here, cuz.
Look good.
Thank
What's your name?
I give everything that I have.
Cause I thought you a hoe. Like you just too fun. Like
I appreciate that.
Yo, they
Fine
be
too. I
mad
ain't
as
saying you a hoe,
shit,
like,
bro. And they be like, yo,
the
man, you
fuck?
look, you look,
Like, where's the music?
Yeah, where the music at? Like,
I should change music. You know you're fine.
hey, hold on.
Wow, man. Damn.
bro, when you put on these sunglasses, bro. Bro, I had put on my sunglasses on my one recording. I didn't look at how I looked though. I didn't look, I didn't look like all that. I should have put on my when I put the glasses on. I didn't. I just had my hood on. I fucked up. This nigga right here though, he actually set the shit up right. It's like you, no matter how you look, that shit just looks.
You're fine.
Wait,
This nigga funny as
Damn.
how old are you?
You know who I am.
Wait,
And I know who you are.
hell. Are you?
Are you?
Are we getting y'all confused, bro? Like, all of, like,
Nigga, what?
how old are you?
18.
What you mean I know you? What you did wrong then? I would have had your number, like.
You want my number?
I would have had it. I would have had you.
Where you from?
I'm from Louisville, Kentucky.
You gotta bring your ass over here.
What if I don't want to
Yo, I know somebody
We
like
ain't
her.
gonna see each other then. For me,
It is what it is.
I don't feel
I
like
don't
you
feel
standing
like
on
you
business,
stand.
nigga.
have a good night though, right? How you gonna tell me you don't wanna see me and then I tell you to leave and you now you don't wanna leave? You
Is
back?
that easy?
You look good, but that don't mean shit to me. Like, I'll just find somebody else that look
And I'ma
good.
stand
I'ma
on it.
stand on that.
So do you want my number or not?
You gonna pull up on me or not?
I'm gonna
We
take a
can
whole lot
talk
of these
about that
games,
later.
bro.
Your number.
Okay.
I got you,
7.
bitch. No, it's not. Why he does that?
I like your smile, friend. You handsome.
Why do you think that is? You look
smell good. I
Yes.
feel good.
And you sing good.
And make
This
love
nigga,
good.
bro.
How old are you?
I'm 18. How about you?
22. Where you from?
I'm from New Orleans.
I want you. I need your number.
444.
Take some shit back to that ride.
You definitely a fine young man.
I appreciate that. You look good as hell.
You from New York.
How you know that?
You
Bro, what the fuck?
toxic.
I am toxic.
That's not good. You supposed to say no. You supposed to at
Don't
least
you
lie
lie.
about it.
I don't lie, sweetheart. That's one thing I don't do.
Why you want to be toxic?
Y'all females be making me toxic.
Who is y'all females? I would not
I'm
make you
too.
toxic.
I like that.
I feel like them New York girls, they be all
What you
top
think
real
you're better
action.
than that?
Oh, so you all action?
I'm all action. I don't do no
Action's
talking.
my favorite movie, so we good.
That nigga was in his bag.
How old are you though?
I'm 22.
You got Instagram?
It's my name, the Capri.
Oh my god, bro. They look for this nigga.
You, bro. I love you.
Shit.
I love you. What the fuck? Love you. I like. What's up, bro? What's up? What's
I
up?
don't know.
No. Got too many people watching me. Bye.
Too many people watching.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and video downloads. So,
Like,
You want to travel?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. This is a cool video. What the fuck, bro? The can just moved by itself. I put the can down. I didn't touch it. And that shit just like, yo, bro, check this, bro. Check this. Damn, I don't know what y'all can see, bro. Ah, damn, you can't see shit. Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. That shit, bro. That shit get bad. I can't move that or nowhere. But anyway, thank y'all for watching this video, bro. I didn't do too much reaction because, like, this man is, like, almost undefeated. There ain't nothing you can say about him. He is what he is. He does his flow how he does it with the calm New York shit. Cool as hell, bro. He a cool ass nigga, bro. So it's like, there ain't too much to say. But it is funny watching his videos, though. So thank y'all for tapping in this video. There might be more. This is only my second video from him. We're gonna see about that. But thank y'all for tapping in. Like, subscribe, check my playlist. Check my playlist up here. And then hold on. And then check my post over there. What YouTube thinks y'all should watch. And we out.